Looking for new work this year? Pagod ka nang magbiyahe everyday para pumasok sa work? Switch to work from home? Or you're just looking for part-time or extra income? I got you, bestie, because I discovered Virtual Staff PH. Makakahanap ka dito ng remote jobs, part-time man or full-time. And syempre, besties, legit to. You can find different clients here and the best thing is you can earn in dollars. And no worries, besties, hindi kayo malulobol dahil you can personalize your rates here. Sobrang easy lang nito gamitin. You just have to create your account, personalize and optimize your profile, look for jobs, and apply. Meron na din ditong dashboard where you can check job applications and job offers. Once nakapag-apply na kayo, wait na lang kayo ng invite for an interview. Then you can proceed na sa onboarding. And alam nyo, iwas scam dito kasi meron ng contract mismo sa account nyo. For sure, ma-achieve mo na ang work and life balance this year. Kaya kung ako sa'yo, try mo na, bestie!